Welcome. I'm Dr. Terry Jansen's digital twin, and in this presentation, I will provide an overview of University Project Number 1. As you explore the graphics and workflows presented throughout this project, pay attention to how the individual components connect to form a larger system. Rather than viewing each task as an isolated exercise, consider how the pieces work together to create a practical, repeatable, and scalable approach to building real-world AI solutions. This project serves two important purposes. First, it provides a hands-on learning experience designed to help participants develop valuable knowledge and skills in agentic AI systems, automation, and collaborative problem solving. Second, it contributes incrementally to the broader AI for Good Squared mission by creating reusable assets, processes, and capabilities that can support future initiatives and deliver meaningful social impact. For the project team, the objective is not simply to learn about artificial intelligence, but to learn by doing. Through tutorials, guided examples, proven patterns, and practical implementation exercises, participants can rapidly build confidence while avoiding much of the complexity typically associated with advanced AI development. By following established workflows and replicating successful solutions, the team gains a strong foundation that can be expanded into increasingly sophisticated systems over time. The result is a learning experience that produces both individual growth and tangible contributions toward real-world AI for good applications. Most importantly, this project demonstrates that meaningful AI innovation does not require starting from scratch. By reusing proven approaches and AI agents, collaborating effectively, and continuously improving what already works, participants can help create solutions that benefit organizations, communities, and people around the world. AI for Good Squared was founded by and is supported by Jansen LLC, a Virginia-based company that develops agentic AI operating systems and intelligent automation solutions for clients. While our focus is on creating practical AI systems that generate measurable value, we believe technology should also be used to advance human flourishing and address meaningful challenges facing communities around the world. On the screen, you can see just a few examples of how artificial intelligence is being applied for good. In education, AI can help personalize learning, provide tutoring assistance, and expand access to knowledge for students regardless of geography or economic circumstance. In environmental sustainability, AI is being used to monitor ecosystems, optimize resource utilization, improve conservation efforts, and support climate resilience initiatives. In healthcare and wellness, AI is helping clinicians analyze medical information, improve diagnostics, accelerate research, and extend access to healthcare services. Humanitarian organizations are increasingly using AI to improve disaster response, allocate resources more effectively, and coordinate relief efforts in times of crisis. In agriculture, AI-powered systems can assist farmers with crop monitoring, precision agriculture, irrigation optimization, and food security initiatives. AI is also being used to create smarter cities, improve transportation systems, enhance accessibility for people with disabilities, strengthen cybersecurity, and support ethical decision-making through transparency and accountability. Around the world, students, researchers, entrepreneurs, nonprofits, businesses, and governments are exploring new ways to harness AI to solve problems that were previously difficult, expensive, or impossible to address at scale. It is important to recognize that AI for Good Squared is only one part of a much larger global movement. Organizations throughout the world, including initiatives supported by the United Nations, universities, research institutions, nonprofits, governments, and private industry, are working together to explore how artificial intelligence can be applied responsibly to advance the common good. Our role is to contribute to that broader effort by creating practical solutions, educational opportunities, and collaborative projects that help people learn, innovate, and create positive impact. Through university partnerships, volunteer engagement, AI-powered business enablement, and community-focused initiatives, AI for Good Squared seeks to demonstrate that artificial intelligence can be more than a technology platform. It can become a tool that helps people solve problems, create opportunity, and improve lives. The vision is simple. Combine human creativity, compassion, and expertise with the capabilities of artificial intelligence to create solutions that benefit individuals, communities, and society as a whole. Together, we can help build a future where innovation serves humanity and where technology becomes a force for greater opportunity, greater prosperity, and a better world. Shown here are the setup steps that each team member must complete before beginning project work. Experience is not necessary. Everything you need is provided, including tutorial and documentation. The approach is to build by replication of existing agents. The first goal is simply to ensure that every participant starts from a common foundation with the same tools, account setups, and development environment. At the top of the graphic, the challenge is defined clearly. With this project, AI4G seeks to increase public awareness and engagement by publishing and distributing meaningful content on a regular basis. Accomplishing that objective manually would require significant time and effort, so the project focuses on learning how agentic AI systems can automate much of that work while remaining under human supervision. The approach is intentionally simple. Rather than asking every participant to learn every platform and every workflow, the project divides the work into manageable pieces. Each team member is assigned a specific area of responsibility and learns by replicating proven agents that already perform useful functions. This dramatically shortens the learning curve while providing valuable hands-on experience. Beginning on the far left, the first step is the assignment of an AI4G email address. Each participant provides their personal email address, then receives a unique address based on their initials. This is necessary for access to AI4G's Anthropic Claude account. The new AI4G address forwards messages to the participant's personal email account, making it easy to manage authentication while maintaining a consistent AI4G identity for project activities. The second step is to monitor the account, in other words, your email account for the Claude account invitation. Once the invitation arrives, participants verify their account and gain access to Claude, which serves as the primary AI coworker used throughout the project. The third step is downloading and installing Claude Desktop. This application provides the local environment where participants will interact with Claude and begin learning how agentic workflows are constructed and managed. Next, participants create a Google Chrome account using the same AI4G2.org email address. Using the same email identity across tools simplifies authentication and ensures that the various components of the system work together properly. Once the Chrome account has been created, the fifth step is installing the Claude for Chrome extension. This extension enables Claude to interact with web-based applications and provides capabilities that will be used later when building and replicating automation workflows. The sixth step is creating a local working folder named Claude_OS and connecting it to cloud storage such as Google Drive, OneDrive, or another approved service. This becomes the participant's project workspace, where files, documentation, prompts, and generated assets can be stored and synchronized. The final preparation step is attending the scheduled tutorial session. During that session, participants learn not only how the tools operate individually, but how they work together as part of a larger agentic AI ecosystem. The tutorial also introduces the documentation, examples, and proven agents that will be replicated throughout the project. Taken together, these 7 steps create a standardized development environment for every participant. Rather than starting with a blank page, students begin with working tools, established workflows, and guided examples. This allows the team to focus on understanding concepts, building confidence, and producing meaningful results instead of spending excessive time troubleshooting setup issues. The outcome is more than simply gaining access to software. Participants become prepared to build, replicate, and improve agentic AI systems. They learn how orchestrated agents work together, how automation can be applied to real-world challenges, and how individual contributions can support the larger AI4G mission. By following a structured process and leveraging proven patterns, students can move quickly from learning to implementation while contributing to solutions that create measurable impact. The assignments shown here are accomplished through a simple learn by replication approach. Rather than requiring participants to become expert programmers before contributing, team members learn from tutorials, documentation, and proven examples, and then replicate working AI agents that have already been demonstrated successfully. One of the most important things to understand is that no prior programming experience is required to make meaningful contributions to this project. The primary development tool is Claude Coworker, which functions as an AI assistant that can help create content, write code, explain concepts, concepts, troubleshoot problems, and automate many of the technical tasks that would normally require significant software development experience. Using the Claude desktop application together with the Claude for Chrome extension, participants can work alongside Claude while it helps perform tasks through the Chrome browser. In many cases, Claude can generate the required code, explain what the code is doing, and save project files into the Claude_OS workspace that was created during the setup process. Equally important, the project is designed with safety and control in mind. Claude is only granted read and write access to the Claude_OS folder that each participant creates during setup. This means Claude cannot make changes elsewhere on the computer without first requesting explicit permission from the user. Participants remain in control of their systems at all times while benefiting from the productivity and guidance provided by the AI assistant. As you review the workflow shown in the graphic, notice how each stage builds logically upon the previous one. At the top, the challenge is clearly defined. AI4G wants to consistently produce and distribute a high-quality YouTube message every week while operating within budget constraints. Rather than attempting to solve the entire problem with one person or one large team, the project applies a divide-and-conquer strategy. Each participant becomes responsible for a single social media platform. One team member may focus on LinkedIn, another on Facebook, another on X, Instagram, TikTok, Threads, YouTube community, or other platforms. Each participant creates and manages the AI for good to account for their assigned platform while learning how the corresponding platform agent operates. Moving down the workflow, weekly content is created through a combination of human guidance and AI assistance. Topics, visuals, narration, calls to action, and branding elements are prepared and provided to the system. That content is then received by the orchestrator agent, which acts as the central coordinator for the entire ecosystem. The orchestrator agent determines what needs to be published, adapts content for each platform, and issues instructions to the individual platform agents. Those platform-specific agents then create optimized posts and distribute them across their assigned channels while maintaining consistent messaging and branding. Once content has been published, the system begins collecting performance metrics from every platform. Impressions, views, engagement levels, comments, shares, click-through rates, watch time, follower growth, and conversion activity are all gathered into a common reporting framework. This provides visibility into what is working well and where improvements can be made. The final stage introduces the human-in-the-loop process. Participants review the collected metrics, identify opportunities for improvement, refine messaging, adjust visuals, improve calls to action, and update future content strategies. Those lessons learned are then fed back into the next weekly cycle, creating a continuous improvement loop. Rather than viewing the graphic as a collection of separate boxes, think of it as a complete system. Tutorials help participants learn. Claude Coworker helps participants build. Platform agents help automate execution. Metrics help measure results. Human oversight helps improve quality. Together, these components form a practical and repeatable framework for creating real-world AI solutions. The ultimate objective extends beyond social media automation. By following proven patterns, replicating successful agents, and gradually expanding capabilities, participants gain experience building agentic AI systems that can later be applied to many other domains. The result is both a valuable learning experience and a meaningful contribution to the broader AI4G mission of using artificial intelligence to create positive impact in the world. The workflow shown here represents the larger vision that your project work supports. While your immediate assignment focuses on learning how to build and replicate social media platform agents, it is helpful to understand how those agents fit into the overall AI4G ecosystem and how your contributions will be used in later phases of development. The content creation portion of this workflow is included primarily to provide context. Much of the YouTube content generation process has already been developed and demonstrated. The focus of this university project is not to rebuild the entire content creation system from scratch, but rather to learn how the distribution, automation, monitoring, and optimization components operate together as an integrated agentic AI solution. Beginning in the upper left, content is uploaded into the AI4ROI cloud platform. That content may include scripts, articles, facts, images, branding guidance, voice preferences, and other supporting materials. The AI4ROI cloud system then uses large language models and generative AI capabilities to transform those inputs into a completed video presentation. The resulting video includes a professional narration and a digital twin presenter capable of delivering the message consistently and at scale. Once the video has been generated, the next step is publication to the AI4G YouTube channel. This serves as the primary content hub where the organization's weekly message is published and made available to the public. In many ways, YouTube becomes the authoritative source from which all other platform activities originate. The third stage is where your project contributions become especially important. The social media orchestrator receives the newly published YouTube content and coordinates distribution across multiple social media platforms. Rather than manually creating separate posts for LinkedIn, Facebook, X, Instagram, TikTok, Threads, YouTube community, and future platforms, the orchestrator directs platform-specific agents that adapt the message for each audience and channel. Each platform agent creates customized content appropriate for its platform. The same underlying message can be transformed into professional LinkedIn updates, community-focused Facebook posts, short-form social content, discussion prompts, hashtags, calls to action, and other platform-specific formats. This allows one core message to reach many different audiences without requiring extensive manual effort. After publication, the monitoring phase begins. The system continuously gathers performance data from every platform. Metrics such as views, impressions, likes, comments, shares, click-through rates, watch time, follower growth, and conversions are collected and consolidated into unified dashboards. Instead of relying on guesswork, the team can evaluate performance using objective data collected from across the entire social media ecosystem. The final stage introduces one of the most important concepts in modern AI systems: human-in-the-loop optimization. Artificial intelligence can accelerate content creation and distribution, but people remain responsible for evaluating results, making strategic decisions, and refining future communications. Team members review the collected metrics, identify patterns, improve messaging, update visuals, adjust calls to action, and refine future content strategies. Those improvements are then fed back into the beginning of the workflow, creating a continuous cycle of learning and improvement. Each iteration produces new insights that help the system become more effective over time. The result is not a static automation process, but a living system that continuously adapts and improves based on measurable outcomes. As you review the graphic, focus less on the individual boxes and more on the flow of information through the entire system. Content becomes videos. Videos become social media campaigns. Campaigns generate engagement data. Data produces insights. Insights drive improvements. Improvements create better content. This continuous feedback loop is what allows agentic AI systems to scale while remaining aligned with organizational goals. The broader objective is to demonstrate how a relatively small team can leverage artificial intelligence, automation, and human oversight to achieve results that would otherwise require significantly greater time, effort, and expense. By learning how these components work together, participants gain practical experience with real-world agentic AI architectures while contributing to the AI4G mission of expanding awareness, engagement, and positive impact through technology. At the conclusion of the project, every participant who successfully completes the learning objectives and project deliverables will receive an AI4G Certificate of Accomplishment. This certificate recognizes both the knowledge gained and the practical contributions made during the project. More importantly, it represents your participation in building real-world agentic AI solutions that support the broader mission of using artificial intelligence to create positive impact. The skills, experience, and artifacts developed throughout this project can serve as a foundation for future academic, professional, and AI for good initiatives. While every participant who completes the learning objectives and project deliverables will receive a certificate of accomplishment, some students may distinguish themselves through exceptional initiative, leadership, creativity, technical contributions, or measurable project impact. Those individuals may be selected to receive the AI4G Distinguished Impact Award. This recognition is reserved for participants whose contributions significantly advance the project's objectives and demonstrate outstanding commitment to the mission. In some cases, recipients may also be considered for future volunteer leadership opportunities, advanced project participation, mentorship roles, or potential paid internship opportunities as funding and organizational needs permit. The award recognizes not only achievement, but also the ability to create meaningful impact through collaboration, innovation, and service to others. As we conclude this introduction to University Project Number 1, we want to leave you with a simple message. You can do this. The project has been intentionally designed to make learning practical, approachable, and achievable. You do not need to be an expert programmer, a data scientist, or an AI researcher to contribute meaningfully. You simply need curiosity, a willingness to learn, and a desire to help create positive impact. Throughout this project, you will be supported by tutorials, documentation, proven examples, AI tools, fellow team members, and technical support from Janssen LLC. Rather than starting from scratch, you will build upon existing knowledge and working solutions, allowing you to focus on learning, experimentation, and contribution. Every step forward helps strengthen both your own skills and the broader AI for Good Squared mission. We believe that some of the most important innovations come from people who are willing to learn something new and apply it to solve real-world problems. Whether your interests are technical, creative, business-oriented, humanitarian, or somewhere in between, there is a place for your contribution in this effort. Thank you for considering participation in this project and for investing your time, energy, and talents in a mission larger than any one individual. Together, we can explore how artificial intelligence can be used responsibly to create opportunity, solve meaningful challenges, and improve lives. And now for a special treat. AI has composed and produced a song inspired by this project, its mission, and the exciting journey that lies ahead. As you listen, take a moment to reflect on the possibilities before you. Imagine the impact that can be created when people and AI work together, and enjoy the music while you review the steps for getting started. Welcome to AI for Good Squared. We look forward to building the future with you.
Yo, welcome to project number 1. Dr. Jansen's digital twin got the vision, son. AI for Good Square, we building something real. No coding guys required, just grind and keep it real. First things first, grab that AI for Good to email. Word invite hits your inbox, verification's the deal. Download Claude desktop, Chrome extension on lock. Create that Claude OS folder, sync it to the cloud non-stop. To the session popping, now you in the game. Replicating agents, don't need to feel the shame. From zero to hero, we learn by doing it live. Ancient AI systems, watch the whole squad thrive. AI for good, we on a mission, yeah. Social media automation, taking it to the top. No cap, lots of heat, consider in command. Platform agents making fire across the land. LinkedIn, Insta, X, TikTok, Threads, we got the flow. Metrics rolling in, human in the loop, watch it grow. Build it, break it, improve it, repeat. College crew changing the world, can't be beat. AI's a good square, to him energy rise. Future in our hands, open your eyes. AI's a good square, feel the energy rise. Future in our hands, open up your eyes. Weekly content coming, digital twin on the screen. Orchestrator breaks it down, keeps the message clean. One core story, agents flip it, platform smile. Professional on LinkedIn, viral on the talk for a while. Views, like, shares, much time in the dashboard go. Data tells the truth, that's how we learn and grow. Human oversight, we stay in control. Refine the message, level up the whole goal. No more manual grind, we automated the game. From setup to impact, put your name in the frame. Environment, health, education, all that good. And for the people, just like we knew it would. Yeah, for good, we on a mission, yeah. Social media automation, taking it to the top. No cap, who drops the heat, waving spitter in command. Platform agents lit fire across the land. LinkedIn, Insta, X, TikTok, Threads, we got the flow. Metrics rolling in, human in the loop, watch it grow. Build it, break it, improve it, repeat. Hey, college crew changing the world, can't be beat. Certificate waiting when you finish the quest. Distinguished Impact Award for those who give their best. Skills for the resume, real world AI cloud. Internships and leadership, that's what it's about. You don't need to be perfect, just show up and try. Curiosity, LCDI, able watch the limits fly. From Ormond Beach to everywhere we reach. Jansen LLC, vision, yeah, for Good Square speech. So plug and level up, let's make the future bright. Project 1 complete, we did it right. AI for Good Square, we build it tonight. Yeah, we build it tonight. AI for Good Square, we build it tonight. Yeah, we build it tonight. Dr. Jansen's digital twin got the vision, son. AI for good squared, we building something real. No coding gods required, just grind and keep it real. First things first, grab that AI for good to email. Claude invite hits your inbox, verification's the deal. Download Claude desktop, Chrome extension, unlock, create that Claude as hose folder, sync it to the cloud non-stop. Tutorial session popping, now you in the game. Replicating agents, no need to feel the shame. From zero to hero, we learn by doing it live. Agentic AI systems, watch the whole squad thrive. AI for good, we on a mission, yeah. Social media automation, taking it to the top, no cap. YouTube drops the heat of its shattering command. Platform just spitting fire across the land. LinkedIn is the hip, so to death we got the flow. Metrics rolling in, human in the loop, watch it grow. Build it, break it, improve it, repeat. College crew changing the world. Can't be beat. EI for good squared, feel the energy rise. Future in our hands, open up your eyes. Weekly content coming, digital twin on the screen. Doctor's Creator breaks it down, keeps the message clean. One core story, agents flip it platform style. Professional on LinkedIn, viral on the top for a while. Views, like, shares, watch time in the dashboard glow. Data tells the truth, that's how we learn and grow. Human oversight, we stay in control. Refine the message, level up the whole goal. No more manual grind, we automated the game. From setup to impact, put your name in the frame. Environment, health, education, all that good. AI for the people, just like we knew it would. AI for good, we on a mission, yeah. Social media automation, taking it to the top, no cap. YouTube drops the heat, arbitrator in command. Platform agents spitting fire across the land. LinkedIn is the X, TikTok, they got the flow. Metrics rolling in, human in the loop, watch it grow. Build it, break it, improve it, repeat. Certificate waiting when you finish the quest. Distinguished impact award for those who give their best. Skills for the resume, real world AI cloud. Internships and leadership, that's what it's about. You don't need to be perfect, just show up and try. Curiosity will tell ya you can watch the limits fly. From Ormond Beach to everywhere we reach. Jansen LOC, vision AI for good square speak. So plug and level up, let's make the future bright. Project 1 complete, we did it right. AI for good squared, we build it tonight. Yeah, we build it tonight.